So it's Thursday. You would have seen this video pop up. Very happy with it. The engine's a 1200. The D is a 1200 and he's pretty much seized. So I've put some fluid down the spark plug hose there just to try to free the pistons up. I don't think it's been started for over 5 years, so he's not the best engines either, a 1200. So we'll see what's what. As a quick, if you haven't seen it in the video, quick little update. Happy days. Right, part 2 of this build. A lot of surface rust. Just swept down with a brush to get all the loose bits off. Spare wheel well needs renewing. So I'll cut that out tomorrow. I've just took the rear wing off. Oh, I'm missing brake master cylinder. So it'll be all brand new brakes all round on here. New shoes, etc. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this build. It'll be a nice build. Gotta get some wing inserts there, you know, them rivet nuts. All this will need grinding off, painting. Needs an end plate there. That's the rear passenger side wing off. Now to do the rear driver side. I'm not being lazy. Or do I paint it red oxide? I've got red oxide paint. Come back to that in a minute. Try the rear wing. Just Do I rub the yellow paint off and just go look, primer rusty? That'd be a cool build. I've got the paint and you seen it in the first video. I'm thinking just red oxide here. I don't know. Let me know what you think. It's gonna have all new brakes. The engine's gonna be good. I can rust it up a bit more. That bonnet's good. It needs a bit of work here. I ain't got another long bonnet, so I'm gonna have to fix that one up with metal. It's gonna be lower at the back, I think. Seems low at the front. That's you know, it's time for me. I'll get it all nice inside. Got a nice interior. I've got a carpet set upstairs. I have a nice steering wheel on him. Dash will be nice. We'll get nice wheels. New wiring, new brakes, and a ratty body lowered. That's because of the primer. That's happened to my my hydraulic that. Good boys, we're still here. That's happened to my hydraulic that with the rust. That's primer and it's just rusted like that. Cool as hell. That's vwcoco there. Yeah, my split is nice and shiny, but I prefer that. I prefer that. Paint's last anyway, so I've got the paint, but I'm loving that. And I think the next owner all lowered well. So I'm trying to film more of what I'm doing. Most of the nuts were in, and just looking at it now, we're good to go on this side. Just take the rear nut and bolt off, connecting the rear apron. It should slide off. We'll see what we got underneath. Got to disconnect the running board. Oh, it's a thing. Fuck. That's the worrier. Come on. Right. That looks brand new in there. That looks brand spanking new. Yeah, the paint's just drying a little bit now, look. Cool. Let me disconnect the running board. I'll take the front fenders off now. Not fenders, Coco. Wings. Wings. Look at that, look. Wing. Right. Just about to take off the driver's wing. He's off, just undoing the last bolt. Bring you around. Everything's going well on the build so far. Like new. Wing off, look. Like new. Every single wing nut is fine. Even down here where they rot. That's a bit of surface there, but he's solid. Bang on. Right, now the passenger wing. Wing. Right, judging by the bolts that are in there, 3 or 4, I can see 1 or 2 wing nuts lacquered. We've got the last bolt here. It's the same day as the first video, so hence I've got the same clothes on. And yeah, sweating buckets. Dogs are loving it. Yeah, 28 degrees, but I've washed the dogs down. Plenty of water here. It's nice and cool inside, even though I'm sweating my off. Come on, Coco, good. I don't know what you've named this beetle yet, so at the end of the video, there's only flies in here. I'll call it its name, but not too bad. But what I did notice, a lot of filler here, look. So, both sides, that's a weak point on these cars. You can see that there. So that need welding up. That's normally where the front goes. That side's good, but that side's got a load of filler, so I've got cuts anyway. Not too bothered about that. I didn't want a big massive project, you know. That's why I've got getting rid of the cowluck bug. Yeah, it's gone here. Oh yeah, here we go. Oops, it's the first bit. Got foam. Shoof. That's not good there. Sheesh. That's the front of the heater channel. That's the worst bit then. I've got that cut underneath there. Solid, the frame head, that's the most important thing. Bloody hell, rock solid, thank God for that, the frame head. So that needs painting. You see it's had a floor section there, look. We knew that. And this here, that needs doing. So overall, not too bad rust-wise. This is the worst bit here. To clean up, like, you know, what the hell, they've screwed a bit in. What the fudge? And we'll have to grind all this down, fix that one, look. That's a hole. That's all right, wing nut, run a tap through there. If it's no good, cut it out, repair that there. This is flaky stuff, so it should come off. So this video is all about rust. What rust is it? Not too bad. I've seen worse and I've got worse. Again, thanks for watching. I'm buzzing about this quick project. Doing the square back in between. Yeah, it's just flaky that all needs rubbing off, painting. There's your bumper mounts, they normally go. Got a little hole there. But apart from there. Apart from that ain't too bad. Not too bad at all. Right, finish up the video for the second part. We've got a list. What's on top?
Engine.
Right, come with me. Now this engine is stuck at the minute. It's a 1200 engine. I doubt if this engine's any good for the car. So I may have another 1600 at the back to go in. So that. Right, what's next?
Paint.
The paint, yeah, I still want to rattle can it red. I did do the clear coat on there. It looks amazing. So in between clear coat, red oxide primer and the black. So that's that, yeah.
Rust front spare wheel well.
Yeah.
Front passenger.
Follow me. So just quickly go through the rust. I've got a piece out in the yard that'll go here. What else is it?
Front passenger, one
Passenger.
wing nut, bottom heater
yeah.
channel.
Right, so that's here, look.
Oh.
We've got a wing nut. The wing nut here. And the bottom heater channel here underneath, what I showed you. That's that. The rear.
A pillar. An
Yeah,
inner
the
arch.
bottom A pillar just here. Inner arch here. That's that one. And that one. And also that closing panel there. I'll put down an closing panel there. So hopefully I'll be doing that.
Rear drivers, front drivers, nothing.
So this one's bang on, but I just did notice I'm missing one or two wing nut holes. So rib nuts will go here. 1, 2.
Rear drivers, nothing. Front drivers, nothing. Bonnet, repair or new?
Yeah. If I ain't got one, I'll see if I've got one locally. It's a long bonnet. I may be able to weld that up.
Sorry about my reading. He writes like a 12-year-old.
Right.
Oh my God. Fuel tank?
Right, yeah, the fuel tank is a bit, it's not crap, it's a later one, but we need the early type because of the filler flap welded up.
Running boards?
Yeah, right, it was one running board only on there, and it was fiberglass. So I've got a pair upstairs to go on.
Speedo clock and gauges, that?
That's there, look. I'll just smack the wings there. Yeah, the speedo clock's missing. Double dent, all the switches are missing.
Oh yeah, double dent, yeah.
So that's all that.
What does that say? Oh, wiper, blades and arms.
Yeah, I've got one wiper arm, but I've got a pair upstairs. So, no money there.
Front headlamps, rear lights.
Yeah, there was only one headlamp, and that was rusted out the ring. So I've got to get a pair upstairs. And the rear lights obviously were missing, you've seen that earlier.
And you've got 20% left on your battery.
Right, quick then.
That's it.
Time.
I think that's it.
No, we've got more. Look at the bottom right.
I don't understand
Right,
that. I can't
I'll
read
it.
I can't read it.
Here we go.
Literally like a
Brakes all round.
Oh.
Yeah, obviously we've got to do fuel hoses as well as brakes hoses. I don't know when they was last done, but the shoes, I pretty much got wheel cylinders, I think. So I can run through all that. Oh, you've done well, it's nearly out.
I told you.
I've got to lower the rear. The ass is going to sit down on the floor. Wheels and tyres, I've gone through that earlier. Get 4 new tyres and the deep dish for the rears. Seals, we're missing the seal around the other side, so look out for them.
This lighting's shocking.
Yeah, that's what we were doing earlier. The reservoir bottle out the front.
Oh, is that there?
I'm missing the reservoir brake. I've got one upstairs, as well as the metal pipes and hoses. Master cylinder, I said that in a previous video, it was missing, brake kit. Right, I've just noticed, front shocks, there's no front shocks either side, and no rears. We'll finish it up here. There's no rear shocks or front. I bought it's a rolling shell with the engine out, and what I paid for it, and what's here, I'm chuffed a bit. So Billy, thanks again, and Michael. Yeah, I'm going to put this on the idiot board over here.
With your 12-year-old
But I
right
used to
in.
do this, I've just took down 2, I've passed on. But yeah, here, got Lauren when she was little, drawings, but yeah, love that thing. Thanks for watching, that's video number 2 on this one. Like, comment, subscribe, buymeacoffee.com and the Amazon wish list. Thank you.